Spirituality is the foundation of everything. Yabo, Ama-China have something known as I Ching. For thousands of years, Ama-China have been learning about I Ching, and for thousands of years, Ama-China have been cultivating I Ching. So, cultivators of Qi, they learn how to control their spiritual energy. You understand? In learning how to separate I Yin from I Yang. You understand? So everything has spiritual energy. Even our emotions have spiritual energies. Yabo? And you must know what energies are contagious. You understand? It's worse when you are when you're in empath. Umuntu empathetic. Yang umuntu onozwelo. Yang not sympathetic, like umuntu ozwelana nabantu, umuntu empathetic. Yang so like as an empath, like mengifika nama energies wami, mengifike ngishare ama-emotions wami nawe, because wena like umuntu onozwelo, so you end up taking wonke lama-bad energies I'm projecting, you understand? And then not just in emotions, even words have energies, you understand? Like I can come and say something to you engakumoshela ilanga, yabo, not because of the words I used, but because of the energies ahamba with the words I use. Yangithola? That's why unokuzwa abantu bathi ilimi liyadala, yabo, you must watch the power of the tongue. Yangithola? That's why kunabantu abanokuzwa bathi we must manifest, yabo, you must manifest, you must watch how you speak to yourself, yabo, you must manifest, Yangithola? So obvious, our energies, we can feel our energies, because our energies are everywhere. Energies are everywhere, and everything has energy. You understand? So maybe you go to a hospital, or we are ejele, or we are moshari. You can feel wonke lama negative energies ukuthi la ngathi kudala kufa abantu. You understand? Or if maybe kusasa we are tripping, yabo, before you sleep, like or remove if before you sleep you channel good energies, because kusasa is a good day vele, yabo. Then muvuka kusasa uyamangala na uvuka une energy, you understand? Because you've been channeling like the entire night, you've been channeling wonke lama energies lanka are good. So obvious, we can learn to cultivate, we can learn to control, and we can learn to channel our spiritual energies. Yabo. But we can only do that through meditation. And so we can only do that through meditation. And the funny thing is, or ironically, like we've been meditating, we've been doing it subconsciously since we've been kids, since you were a kid, since I was a kid, I've been subconsciously meditating. Yabo. That's why kuyenzeka ukuthi uyakwazi ukulala namhlanje, like sleep healthy, uvuke kusasa maybe uphethwe ikhanda, uphethwe i-flu, yabo, uyakwazi nokuthi ulale uphethwe ikhanda, uphethwe i-flu, uvuke so healthy, you understand? What into beyenzeka throughout the night, what was happening throughout the night is you were channeling our energies subconsciously, yabo. Like when you're sleeping, when your conscious mind is closed, when like your cerebrum is closed, imethula uplangata, your subconscious mind is still working, yabo. That's why your heartbeat uyaphefumula, understand? Like you're channeling our energies. Isn't it you were telling yourself emini subconsciously says there's manifesta ebusuku mosowulele, yabo, because subconsciously like you was yonke into ngawe in your conscious mind ayifuna ukuzi-accept, yabo. So if emini like you've been telling yourself negative things, so ebusuku you'll channel ama negative energies, understand? If emini you've been telling yourself izinto ezi-positive, ebusuku you'll channel ama positive energies. That's why masithi umuntu uphethwe ikhanda, then mina ngiyothenga i-triple X, ama-sweet la, ama-triple X angika ama-sweet, then ngiyalikhasha, then ngiyamnikeza umuntu lophethwe ikhanda ngithi le sweet leli, mara ngeke ngithi sweet, ngithi i-grandpa le izokuyenza ube better. Mekangayikhohlwa la iding or ayidle, uzoba better vele, because mekaqeda kuyidla like sekasitshelile yena ukuthi lento le izongisebenzela, hence lo muntu logcina sekachannela ama-energies are-right, you understand? Then wonke ama-energies of sickness is an energy, yabo. And if you're channeling ama-positive energies, ama-energies awe-sickness aya-achieved, you understand? Obvious, if ufuna uku-understand more about i-chakra, about spirituality and the controlling of spirituality, ungabukela, if you know Naruto, there's something ababizwa ngokuthi chakra, you understand, where you can use your chakra to create izinto such as fire, water, whatever. Yangizwa? Ku-bleach khona into ababizwa ngokuthi is reishi, yabo. You can umhlaba energy all around you, and you can use the energy level if you're a Quincy to create izinto, you understand? Or ku-One Piece khona into ababizwa ngokuthi i-haki, you understand? Conqueror's haki, i-energy yonke la iding, you understand? So abantu have been channeling ama-energies, and if you know how to channel your energy, you can at least have a better chance in fighting ezinye izinto. You can have better chance in fighting poverty, you can have a better chance of fighting sickness, you can have a better chance of fighting depression. And so because even depression is an energy, You understand? So obvious, to prove abantu who have been successful in channeling their energies is as abantu who use religion, yabo. Maybe umuntu athekwa ama-evil energies, like bad spirits or ama-demon, like in a religious context, yabo. Mara ama-bad energies nje general, yangithola. So maybe wa-channel athekwa lawo ma-bad energies, lawo ma-bad spirits, yangithola. Loyo muntu loyo can channel i-energy yakhe to fight labo bantu, mara he uses or she uses the word like ngegama lika, yangithola. Then lelo gama lelo can defeat lawo ma-energy, lawo ma-bad energies, lawo ma-bad spirits. Mara the power is not egameni laloyo muntu. No, it's the energy you channel mawubiza lelo gama. You understand? It's in you that thing, but you channel it using a religion. You channel it using like igama lakalo muntu loyo. You understand? Mara you must learn to channel it iphume kuwe like organically. Yangithola, iphume kuwe consciously. Ngoba njengoba we've laid the foundation ukuthi you do have unconscious, you've been doing it unconscious, you've been meditating unconsciously. But now you must learn how to do it consciously. So you must learn how to do it consciously.